Greetings from planet Earth. Is there anyone out there? Since the beginning of time, humans have looked to the stars and asked this question. Today, we have the technology to explore space. This might allow us to finally answer this question. Our journey into space started with Sputnik 1 in 1957. It was the first satellite put in space. The Russians began to explore an unknown world. In 1977, NASA scientists launched Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. The two spacecraft were on a mission to find out more about space and send the information back to Earth. The spacecraft also carried a very important message. A message that was for the inhabitants of other planets. The message was on a golden record. NASA included instructions on how to play it. Scientists had to decide what sort of message they would send. Scientists wanted it to represent all the people, languages and species on our planet. So they decided to include information in writing, pictures and sounds that tell the story of planet Earth. They sent greetings from Earth in 55 different languages, as well as sounds like thunder and a whale song. There were 115 pictures and 90 minutes of music from around the world. Carl Sagan, a famous scientist, said that the record would carry a hopeful message about life on our planet. The message hasn't been answered yet. Who knows? Maybe E.T. is about to call home after all.